Do you want to add a review phase in your WordPress site? Many businesses add a customer review phase in their website to showcase testimonials from their satisfied customers. I'm Arfan. Today I'm gonna talk about how to add a customer review or rating phase in your website, in your WordPress website. Okay, let's do it. We'd like to make a phase like this one. You can customize as well as you want to do it. Okay, let's do it. At first we have to install one of the best plugin, what is called AZ Testimonial. Okay, let's do it. How to install or activate the testimonial plugin. Go to the plugin option, add new, and write the name of the Easy Testimonial plugin. I'm just going to copy this plugin name and search with this name in your search plugin option and enter button. Okay, we have already activated and this plugin in my website, so I'm not going to show you that how to install and how to activate. This is really easy to do it. Okay, after install or after activate this plugin, first of all, whatever you have to do it, you have to go to the setting option, Easy Testimonial setting option. You can check mark of this option, whatever you want, and you can also set up the display option. And if you think that you would like to add 50 words, I'm just going to add only 40 words. I'm just going to type this here and only 40 words. And you can also check the testimonial. You know that already I have add a page. This picture is really small because I have selected the 36 into 36. And you can select anything, whatever you want to add. I'm just going to 71 or 71, and you can check whatever you want to add. And slideshow option, whichever previous or next, you can click. And view more testimonial, you can write here, you can write view more. I'm just going to write view more with option. You can select you can write the testimonial with option, and date option, which date, and first of all what type of date you would like to add. I'm just using this one. Okay, it's okay for me. And you can also select your theme and default style you can use. I'm just going to use this default style only. Then after that, and save changes. Okay, now type this themes, and you can check the themes after that. And you have to this is my theme. Okay, default theme. Okay, check this one, dark theme. Light theme. I just want to use this one, light theme. Okay, then save changes. Then after that, we have already set up that one, testimonial setting pages and configuration for the plugin. And next you have to visit the visit testimonial, add new option. Okay, now I'm going to add new testimonial. How to add a testimonial like this one? Already I have added the testimonial here. If I want to add more testimonial, then you can go there and scroll up and go to the testimonial and add new testimonial. Founder and web address. Okay, then write the review, location review. And if this one from USA, then write the USA location review, US social media, Facebook likes. Rating, and we have a 5, maximum 5, and you can write the 5 if you have got a if you got a 5 out of 5, then you can write the 5 and extra, and you can write your name and whatever you have a content, and you can write the summary of the content. Okay, I'm just going to skip this one because I don't need it. And after that, and you have to select the category, and your review is a category related to your Facebook, then you can write the Facebook. And if you want to add a new category, then you can write here and write the name design, social media design. This one, and you can write also, and you think that social media design, Facebook design. I'm just using this category under the social media design. So now just write here social media design and add new category. This one you can write here, and this is the shortcut of this testimonial. And you can write the, you can set up your features image and your client image. So I'm just going now publish. Okay, now copy this code. I just want to in here, I want to use this here. This is the page of review phase, and you can add the you can add the phases and my review phase. I'm just going to okay, this is my testimonial, and I'm just going to add another one testimonial. Okay, copy this one and update. Now check the space, whatever we have made this review, then we have got this one. So thanks for watching. If you